EBD35. LF74 TTZ at Woodbine Place bus stop in Wanstead. Now introduced on the 101. Don't know why this is flickering the blind. I much prefer paper blinds over LED blinds, because sometimes now the LEDs sometimes now they glitch a bit, if you get what I mean. I much prefer the paper blinds, to be honest, because there's no electronics, just paper. It's plastic. And then this phone, yeah, won't flicker that too much, but because it's an LED blind, this is now flickering. That's why I prefer paper blinds over these LED blinds, because the LEDs, they're not really that reliable, and sometimes though they glitch. So this is introduced on the 101, fully introduced, the BD11s. They'll be rolled out on some routes in London. Here we got is EBD35 LF74 TTZ. It's about to leave to go towards Specton. I'm trying out my new phone that I got. This is the Samsung S24 Ultra. I believe this is a better quality than my other phones, but let me know in the comments what you think of this quality. Is it good? Is it bad? I want your thoughts on this.